just waiting for them to come to a bloom. And I got these rose stems from a little dhaba or a restaurant on the highway to Alva, and I have planted them hoping for them to sprout. One of them have shown some prospects. There are some new leaves coming out. Once I feel they are strong enough to be transplanted, I'll leave some here and some I'll put them in the pots. My lime tree and my limes are now ripening and they are dropping here and there. It's a lovely sight to behold. Here are my limes, and welcome to MomDas Life Handmade. I'm MomDas, welcoming you all to my channel. Today I'm going to share with you a little snippet of my life and a DIY. This DIY is a lovely and a very budget-friendly DIY. I'm just using 2 items from the Dollar Tree, and you can either use the items from Dollar Tree, Dollar Store, or you can upcycle one of your items from home that you want to upcycle for the season, or something from the stash. They're very easy and very beautiful decor. They make a very beautiful table centerpiece or table decor item or a wall decor item. I love to do sew, DIY, decor, recipes, home, travel. So please do subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so that you're notified each time I post a video. And you'll find all my DIYs in my DIY and decor playlist. And let's just start getting more creative. I have covered my canvas with white paper neatly on all edges, and now I take a ruler and a black felt pen and just observe how I make it look like a wood carved box. So see this gap that is there? So now this is like a box, but how can you hold the wood? You need some nails or screws or bolts. Now using a dry brush and some black paint, just gonna make some strokes. Isn't it getting a wood kind of whitewashed wood look? But it's not yet complete. I'm going to add a straight line down on this edge for this wood block. Similarly for this wood block, and here and here. So now these are full wood blocks. Now this is the facing edge, so it will not have grains, strokes, but I'll give it a little speckled look. Let it be messy. But this is the cut end of the wood, so it will not have the straight grains kind of thing. Now in this square, I'm going to add green, a dark green. Let this dry. Once dry, use generous amount of glue and glue these things inside the box randomly. Next, just poke in lots of greens. And this is the reason why I made a green base, is because I wanted to poke in the greens here. Don't forget to do so in between as well. I think this makes a lovely centerpiece as well as a wall decor.